Hello everyone. I want you to check my family tree. My name is Fabian and I have a big family. My parents are Carlos and Magdalena, and my brothers are Carlos and Miguel, who are older than me. My sister Sara and my brother David are younger. That is my nuclear family. I can't wait to tell you more about my cultural roots. My family is very culturally rich. I asked my mom tons of questions. She told me that her mom, my grandmother, comes from Bogota. She has one son, my uncle Marcos, and one daughter, my aunt Clara. My grandfather comes from the Colombian coast. This is my extended family. Can you imagine? My family roots have a cultural mixture. But you know what? This is not enough. I am such a curious kid. I wanted to know more about my origins. Why my skin color is black. I need to discover my cultural origins. My mom said to me that my skin color is black because my grandfather comes from the Colombian coast. So my father's skin color is also black. Most people in the coast has dark skin because their ancestors came from Africa. That is why some people from the coast are called Afro-Colombian people. You know that? Now I understand why me and some of my classmates' skin color is black. My mother also told me that most Afro-Colombian people is extrovert and they like to dress up with colorful clothes like yellow, red, and flower-like designs. Look at my family tree. You see, I have such a culturally rich family. Thank you.